Did you know that there's been recent legislation passed that seeks to make changes to the Florida property insurance market? On December 14, 2022, Senate Bill 2A was passed in a special session of the Florida legislature. And this was signed by Governor DeSantis in December 16th of 2022. According to the Department of Financial Services, and I'm paraphrasing here, the primary purpose of this legislation was to address or is to address the availability and affordability of property insurance in Florida. In this video, I'll briefly discuss a few of the changes made in this legislation, but not all of them. But before that, please check out this brief disclaimer video. This is Ryan Ramsaran, an attorney in Palm Beach County, Florida. Welcome to my channel. The purpose of this channel is to provide general information about the Florida real estate market. It is not designed to provide specific information tailored to any individual real estate transaction. If you need this type of information, please consult with your own attorney, real estate agent, property insurance agent, settlement agent, or any other service provider that you choose to work with for your particular situation. The viewing of content on this channel does not create an attorney-client relationship between the viewer and the law office of Ryan A. Ramsaran, PA. Although every effort is made to provide accurate content on this channel, because the Florida real estate market is so dynamic, there's no guarantee that the information will be accurate when you view it or will remain accurate in the future. The law office of Ryan A. Ramsaran is a title agent with Attorneys Title Fund Services LLC and issues title insurance policies underwritten by Old Republic National Title Insurance Company. The firm also represents companies and individuals in the acquisition, sale, and development of commercial property, such as hotels, warehouses, and industrial property. If you believe my firm might be a good fit to represent you in real estate matters, please see the firm contact information under Details in the About tab of this channel. In addition to real estate matters, my firm also accepts personal injury cases, as well as cases related to the violation of individual civil rights. Please note that these cases will be referred to another law firm. However, under no circumstances will the client be responsible for paying fees or costs in addition to what they would be paying if they only hired one law firm. Again, thanks for viewing content on this channel, and let's get back to the content we were looking at before. Thank you. Welcome back. So one of the changes brought about by this legislation was the elimination of one-way attorney's fees. Prior to this legislation, under certain circumstances, plaintiffs or policyholders were entitled to their attorney's fees when they filed litigation against an insurer, but the insurer or the insurance company wasn't allowed the same right. Another change brought about by the legislation was the elimination of assignment of benefits. Prior to this legislation, policyholders could, under certain circumstances, assign their benefits under the insurance policy to a contractor who would then deal directly with the insurance company. Under the changes in this legislation, this practice is no longer allowed. Changes under this legislation also seeks to reduce the number of insurance policies served by Citizens Property Insurance Corporation. In effect, the legislation is designed to try to incentivize policyholders to return to the private insurance market to obtain their homeowners insurance policies. So, for example, under this legislation, people with citizens policies who are attempting to renew their policies would not be able to do so if they can find coverage in the private insurance market that is within 20% of the cost of their citizens insurance policies. In addition, citizens policyholders will now, under certain circumstances, will be required to have flood insurance. These are just a few of the changes that are considered under this legislation. But to find out how it may affect you and your personal situation, please consult with your own home insurance consultant or home insurance agent. Hopefully this information was of some use to you. If so, please like and consider subscribing. Otherwise, be safe out there.